Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Well, as you can see, you're not in a car tent, and I had to hike a little ways in, but I'm in a very cute little cabin, and behind me is Grand River Valley. So that is the Grand River down there. But the funny thing is, my GPS in my car took me to a bridge that was out, and oh my gosh, how do I get there now? But there was a detour around. But that leads down to the Grand River, and it's a really cool covered bridge, but it's out of service right now. So maybe next time we'll see it. It is not that cold, and when I say it's not that cold, it's about 45, and that's a heat wave compared to what I was in last time. So I decided I just want to kick back and relax this overnight. So the only thing though is you sleep in a loft, and you have to go up these stairs. Now, that's fine and dandy, except for in the middle of the night, if you have to, do your business. Coming down that loft looks a little tricky. So there's a little futon down below. It's next to a wood-burning stove. We got heat. So I just may relax down there. So it's supposed to rain all evening, all night. Tomorrow is supposed to be snow and rain, but not like a lot. So I'm gonna get a fire going and cook up some food. Mmm, wow, that's good. Take the other one home. You guys probably think I eat a lot, but I actually fast for 18 hours. I usually only have 1 or 2 meals a day, and I try not to eat at a certain time. Most of the time, I take half of it home. This is the life. A little primitive glamping. This thing is putting out some serious heat. I'm telling you, I can't even sit by here too much longer. And I'm not sleeping up there. If you saw the video of looked like the camera was falling or I was falling, it was me. I was slipping. I think the rungs, they made them like way too high for each step. So I almost busted my butt up there. What I'm going to do is I'm going to bring a blanket down and I'm going to lay on this tonight. I got a pillow in the car, so, you know, it's actually warm down here. It's warmer up there, actually, because, you know, heat rises. So I am, got my cozy little slippers on. Got my cup of, what do I have tonight? I have decaf chai. You saw how hot that water got? My goodness. This thing really puts out some heat. It's supposed to drop down to about 30 tonight. So that's not bad at all. I mean, even if this wasn't burning, I could survive 30, no problem. So I'm going to have my tea. Going to watch a movie. It is raining now, not downpour, but it put out the little fire that I had, so I didn't feed it any more wood. I brought the wood in, and I'll keep it in here, keep this going all night. So I will see you guys in the morning. I like it nice and warm and toasty. Good morning. It's cloudy out this morning and a little chilly out this morning. I kept warm most of the night. I kept feeding the stove. I put a nice big chunk in. I think about 3:30 this morning it started chilling down a little bit. But I went ahead and let it go because I got to clean the stove out, get the ashes out. Oh, that coffee tastes so good this morning. If you probably seen me make this, you probably thought, what in the heck is she making? Well, I toasted the bread best as I could. But it is actually sugar-free jelly with brie and prosciutto, and it is really good. I got this from somebody last year. Somebody doing keto, and I liked it. And I have an avocado, which was getting a little bit too ripe to slice up. Some pecans and some almonds. So a nice nutritious breakfast to get me going. It is starting to rain again. It rained most of the night, but I kept pretty warm, you know. So I want to give a shout out to all the new subscribers I've gotten recently. I really appreciate you guys coming by, and I hope you're enjoying my content. And if you are new to the channel right now, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Turn the bell on. I'll see you guys in my next video.